Hello, you guys. I hope that you guys are having a blessed day. That's first and foremost. Whenever you just so happen to land upon this video, I want you guys to forgive me in advance. I am posting a lot of work at home jobs here on this channel. Reason being is because I want to keep up with the consistency of my videos, because I am going through this move and I packed down a lot of my lighting and all of that type of stuff, so I don't have a lot of that stuff still set up. But I still want to keep up the consistency of my videos. So trust me, once this move is over, you guys will be getting a ton of new content and all of that good jazz. Okay, but for those of you that are interested in the work at home jobs, I have some that are posted on my website that are hiring right now. Okay, for example, American Express, they are currently hiring virtual platinum customer care professionals. That's pretty much just a really long title for basically saying that they're hiring customer service reps. Okay, now for those of you that are looking for a work at home job, this is an awesome company. We all know what American Express is. They are a credit card company and they have other things that they promote as well, but they are hiring in all U.S. states. Okay, all U.S. states with the exception of Alaska. So if you do live in Alaska, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to work for American Express. But if you live in any of the other 49 states, you can work for American Express. Okay, they have a how long is training? I saw in here how long the training was, and they do train you. It's a 15-week training. All of this is done online. You must attend training 100%. 100% attendance is required in order for you to continue on with the job position. So just make sure that you're available for the 15 weeks of training, okay? Again, this is American Express. The link is over here on my website. Also, BSG, okay? But I had to tell you guys about American Express first because I know a lot of people would really want to get in on that. But BSG, they're looking for basically live operators, okay? Now, this isn't paying a whole lot of money, but I always like to say, what is my favorite saying? Some money is better than no money, okay? So if you're not working at all, or if you're looking for a side gig or something like that, because you can do this in the evening hours. They are looking for live operators, so they are guaranteed to pay you $8.50. That's a guaranteed wage. Again, this is not a lot of money, but if some money is better than no money, okay? And as you can see here, it says VoiceLog is the #1 provider of third-party verification services in the U.S. Our operators receive live verification calls for telephone companies and other service industries looking to help combat sales fraud. All calls are recorded for quality assurance and compliance purposes. And it says here you must you work from home as an independent contractor, which means you will not be an employee. So whatever you earn, they're going to give you. So if you work 40 hours, just say 40 hours a week. I think they have down here you are required to work at least 20 hours a week. But just say you work 40 hours a week. Okay, whatever you earn in that 40 hours, they're not going to take out any taxes. They're going to send you all of your money. Okay, but you must be available during the hours of 2 p.m. Central Standard Time to 11 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday, and every other weekend. Okay, you can choose to work shifts of 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 hours. Okay. So just so you're aware of that. Again, that's BSG, and it's here on as the first job listed here on my website. Also, if you live in Syracuse, New York, Aspen Dental is looking for call center representatives. That is a good position there as well. Live Ops, they are looking for roadside assistance reps. Okay, roadside assistance reps. So basically what you will be doing is you'll actually be answering incoming phone calls from people who have rented cars. I'm not really sure if this is with Enterprise. It's probably their Enterprise client. If a person has rented a car and they had a flat tire or they broke down, you'll be the person answering those phone calls for that client to assist those customers with their roadside assistance to get in a tow truck or something like out there to assist them with that disabled vehicle. So that is Live Ops. Okay, World Travel Holdings. This is another one for those of you out there that are interested in being travel agents, but you don't really want to start your own travel business, even though it's a great opportunity. Hit me up if you want to be a travel business owner. I can definitely let you know about the ins and outs of that business. But World Travel Holdings is looking for travel sales agents, so you will be working for them. Now, they actually pay you. You get 6 weeks of paid training. Okay, 6 weeks of paid training with this company. You can come over here, you can read all about it here. Training is scheduled Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. So, and there are, of course, other jobs here that are listed on my website, not just posted today, but I have some that I listed yesterday as well. the day before. You guys can just come over here and check out whatever it is that you're interested in. And yeah, again, I hope that you guys forgive me for posting all of the work at home jobs. I know these videos are helping somebody. There are a lot of people who hit me up and tell me that they've landed work at home jobs from some of the leads that I have posted. And I am so grateful for you guys letting me know about that, because that is something that I love to hear, that you guys are benefiting from these positions that I am posting, because I feel like this sharing is caring, okay? Again, check out some of the jobs that are hiring right now. All of this is work from home. All of it is legitimate. No scams on my website. I promise you that. If you see something on there that you might think is a little scammy, okay, sometimes I'm a human being, so I might overlook something, but I try to research every single company that I post on my website. I'm not going to post it if it is sketchy to me. So everything that's on my website is going to be legitimate, all right? So head on over there, and good luck to all of you guys that apply. Bye.